It is Monday evening, and unfortunately we had to pack everything up for a quick trip to Gillette, Wyoming. Had to have some engine maintenance done. Not an easy thing when the engine and your home are the same thing. And look at this.
The co-pilots are ready. Cinnamon, Sadie.
Yeah, they're both sitting there. Stay tuned for this weekend. Got some good insight and have a couple places to go check out. Spearfish being one of them, just past Deadwood and a couple towns out that way. So just a little update for this weekend. Thanks for coming along for today's brief little ride to Gillette.
Yeah, see what's out Gillette.
And tomorrow morning we're dropping this off at Cummings. All right. See you tomorrow morning at the Cummings Service Center. Yep, there he is, all done, ready to go. Just gotta go pay the man. Got it done in one day. Gotta hand it to Cummings. So, just got the coach back. Awesome work. They did everything in a day. Like I said, AC's kicking. Hopefully that fixes the engine problem. I had some belts that needed some replacing as well. All right, I'm gonna end this video with an update for this weekend's pre-rally events. Just out here chilling with the dogs. So Friday, more than likely, gonna be in Rapid City. Got some Amazon packages to pick up. So we'll stop by the dealer and see what they're doing in order to get ready for the rally, how much they have set up, what they're in the process of, etc. Saturday is probably going to be Spearfish and up and around that area. And then Sunday, we're going to be in the Hill City area checking out a specific bar that we were told about. And that's supposed to be pretty interesting, especially on Sundays. So we'll see if what we were told is true. And we'll be bringing you that info and those updates and a little bit of riding and hopefully some cool spots. So stay tuned for this weekend's video, and we will see you down the road. Thanks again for watching. Don't forget to smash that like button. If you have not already subscribed, subscribe, and please hit that bell for notifications on upcoming rides, events, trips, etc. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you down the road.